How's it going, everybody? Today I just want to do a quick video on the Saab 9.3 ABS module replacement. Not many videos on this, and I think it's quite a common problem that goes misdiagnosed by a lot of people. And it's also a pain in the ass to do and a pain in the ass to find the parts, but if you can do it, it's not terrible. It's also a reason to not junk your car. Real quick, I'll just give a backstory on what happened with this car. Basically, it would just randomly not start. The gas gauge wouldn't work. The gas gauge would just not work. The driver instrument cluster thing wouldn't work. The DIC wouldn't crank. It would just do nothing. Or you could get it running and you'd be driving and the gauge cluster would just freeze. Like the speedometer would freeze, everything would just freeze. And if you turn the car off, it's bricked. It's not going to start. Long story short, that means there's solder down here in this connector that's disconnected. And instead of resoldering it, I just went and I found one. Somebody was selling one for 50 bucks when, you know, normally they're like $500 for the manual cars. So keep that in mind. Unless you get lucky and find one for 50. The way you're going to take this apart is you're going to take out these top two 13 mils. You're going to take the connector off. You're going to unplug the hood sensor. Don't be a dummy like me and break this. You just unclip it from the battery box and you slide it up. Same thing with the fuse box and the relay for the fan. You unclip them from the fuse box and pull them up. There's 3 T40s down here, and then this box lifts up. Keep in mind this is made of fiberglass, which I don't know who the fuck thought that was a good idea, but wear some gloves. So back to this. I tried a lot of different tools to make this easy. And ultimately, I think your best bet is doing what I did. Go to Home Depot, spend $12 on a 1/4 inch ratcheting wrench, and stick your little, I think that's a T30, whatever size that is. I super glued it in there just barely, and then when I needed to tighten it, I smacked it out with a hammer and put it back in there the other way. And I mean, you can tell, like, this is what you're working with here. Not even. It's not even on there. There you go. So, I mean, nothing works good. Absolutely nothing works good down here. It's gonna take you, I mean, the two front ones, you're gonna want to pull this out of the way too. There's a lot of lines, but if you pull this out, you'll be all right. But it's gonna take a while. These are not fun, and they'll be tight, but as soon as you pop them loose, you're not ratcheting shit. You gotta get your fingers down there. And so this bottom back one, that one's gonna take you 10 minutes to get it off, 10 minutes to get it back on. And the other thing is, when you get these all off finally, you have to sit here and pull this as hard. I mean, I'd get a second person, but I did it myself. You gotta pull this thing as far back as you can and slide this off. And I'll show you what that looks like. So as you can see, I mean, you want to be real gentle with this. And the other thing is, I don't know if you can tell, but that one pops up a bit, this one right here. And that one, I had a really hard time getting around that one. But, and a quick side note, if you do this, make sure you plug it in and try to start your car before you take this all apart, because that would suck. That would really suck, man. Anyways, thought this would be helpful for everybody, because I don't see any videos on this really. But yeah, thanks for watching.